Okay, so which statement is true about the graph function? So we have a function here. A says the function is even because it's symmetrical about the y-axis. Well, it's not, though. This is the y-axis. The left-hand side does not mirror the right-hand side. This line would need to look like this, and it doesn't do that. So that's not true. It's odd because an even function is even because it's symmetric about the y-axis. This one's C says this function is an even function because it's symmetric about the origin. No, only odd functions are symmetric about the origin. Well, D has to be the answer because the other three are wrong, but it says it's odd because the function is symmetric about the origin. Well, that's true for sure. And let me show you real quick. So what they're saying is if I take, if I take this right here, it has to go through the origin, okay? So if I take this curve right here and I rotate it 180 degrees, I will get this line right here. And and then this line becomes this line way up here becomes this line. That's how you got to think about it or visualize it in your head. So yes, it's definitely an odd function. Now the other test would be is positive and negative values. I don't know what this x value is, but if I go to the same spot, so this is like a positive x, right? And then a positive y value. But if I go to the negative x, guess what? Or it's probably closer to here. Yeah, it's about here. When I plug in my negative x, I get a negative y. So that's another reason it's an odd function. When I take the negative value for x and plug it in, I'll get the exact same value for y, but the opposite. Okay. And so that's it for that one.